In today's video, we are going to show you how to add extension to your Google Chrome browser. Kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us more than you can imagine. Thank you. To add extension to your Google Chrome browser, you want to come over to your browser here and search for Chrome Web Store. And we're going to click on Chrome Web Store. This opens up and you're going to come into here where it says search extension and theme and type in what it is you're searching for. For us, it's OverSuggest and it brings up the extension right here underneath here. We're going to click on the extension and it opens up this interface showing you the extension. You can see over here the ratings it have, how many people uses this extension, and you can quickly just add it to your Chrome browser like so. It's going to open out this pop-up window and save it and change all data on all websites. If you're happy with that, you can say add extension. You can see our extension has started downloading from this side of our screen. And once that is complete, you can see that it has added this to our extension. If you go into your extensions there, you can see all the extensions you have in your browser. For me, these are the extensions I have right now. You can decide to pin this extension so that it can be seen whenever you're working here, or you can unpin it. At any point you want to remove this extension, you can come to these three dots and click on remove extension. It's removed from your web browser. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Do have a good one.